Hey there, Fox fam. Are you interested in trading or investing in crypto while holding your own keys and avoiding centralized exchanges? Well, then the ShapeShift app is for you. Now, we've recently partnered with 4 different ramp projects to make it as easy as possible for you to bring capital on-chain. Simply head over to app.shapeshift.com, connect your favorite wallet, select buy or sell crypto, and choose the bridge that's right for you. Now, please note, not all bridges will be available depending on where you live. Once you've identified the ramp that's best for you, you can connect your bank account or credit card to bring capital on-chain into the app and trade or explore DeFi and Fox opportunities. When you're ready to cash out, you can simply send that capital back through the ramp to your bank account. It really is that simple. Now, ShapeShift places the highest priority on self-custody of your digital assets, and by using one of the 4 ramps we have available in the app, you can bring your fiat on-chain and hold your keys when you trade and invest. Join the Fox fam, head over to app.shapeshift.com and get started.